How to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. First, open the Cash App mobile application, as shown here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are sections with icons that, when you tap on, will take you to different areas of the app. From there, tap on the bank icon that appears here. This will take you to this page where you will see options that are related to money. From them, tap on your Cash App card. After that, make sure you can view the card details because we will need them in the next step. After that, make sure you open the Prizepicks app. On the home page of the app, make sure you tap on the hamburger symbol that appears here. A side panel appears. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. The side panel has several different options, as you can see here. From those options, the one we need is this one here, Request Withdrawal. On the next page, where you are supposed to enter the payment method details, make sure you enter your Cash App card details. Once you are done with that, you can then receive the payment in your Cash App account. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App.